I'm just like, oh my god. But I'm determined to get this video done. All these malfunctions will not stop me. I refuse.
Got me ducking off, yeah, ducking off. You so fucking raw, damn. Now we fucking raw. Drop my fucking jaw, then drop off in your drawers. Oh my god, you just made me miss.
Off with primer. This is a Fenty Beauty primer, and 2 to 3 pumps is good. I have a big face, so I do 3. When it comes to Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundations, I do have 4 bottles. They're in the shades 330, 290, 370, and 320. For today's video, I'm going to use 330. Shake it well because that's what it says to do. I take my Fenty Beauty foundation brush that looks just like this, and I literally do 1 pump because that's all it takes when it comes to Fenty is 1 pump. But I have the concealers in the color caramel and bamboo. So to highlight, I'm gonna use bamboo. I'm gonna go ahead and contour with the Fenty Beauty contour stick. The matchstick, that's the right name, and this is in the shade Mocha. Then I'm just gonna take this Real Techniques blending brush and I'm gonna blend out my contour. I'm just gonna take that beauty blender and go over the nose again. And now I'm just gonna go back over the contour. It seems like when you use Fenty Beauty products, you can just easily go crazy. I really don't know why. I don't know why, but I feel like this is gonna be cute. Probably because I haven't done a look with liner and eyelashes in a while. Now with this Real Techniques sculpting brush, contour brush, whatever you want to call it, I'm going to blend out my contour. To put some mascara on these babies. Ooh, you see the difference? I went from like little innocent girl eyelash to like stripper lash eyelashes. So these are from Walgreens. I'm gonna bet my money they're from Walgreens because I go to Walgreens a lot because Walgreens has like really good stuff for like a really good price. I'm always getting lashes from there because like it's the one by my job that I always have to pass. It's 24 hours compared to the beauty supply store. It's always closed. I put on our Fenty Beauty highlighter that I have never tried before, and I'm really excited to try this little eyeliner pen. When I bought this, I had the intention of buying it so I can have eyeliner on the go. And yeah, it looks like this. And yeah. It comes out really good, and it's just like so easy to use. Usually I gotta do this off camera. Ooh, she's nice. I like this. It's like, oh my god. Oh my, I really like this. I'm gonna buy another one. Fenty Beauty does not have a setting powder. They do have a blotting powder, but I'm in the mood to set. For the most part, I use all Fenty Beauty products. So we're going to now set our concealer. I'm so excited. I feel like if you go to Aldi's, you have to get oatmeal cookies. They're really good. Ooh, she's sassy. She's sassy. She's sassy. Now we brung the blush back. Ooh. Now we brung the blush back. Oh, is that a tongue twister or no? I feel like no, but it sounds like it. I'm just gonna spray that. I'm gonna take the famous trophy wife, not me, you guys, the highlighter. I'm a famous YouTube trophy wife, in case you didn't know. Like, if you take a little bit of it, you can definitely have a daytime cute glow type of thing. But if you take a lot of it, you can have like a nighttime club type of thing. But I'm going for something a little more of the everyday type of look thing. I'm just praying that this video comes out good and to my liking so that I can post it. So clearly, if you see this, then I approved of it. Now, if you approve of it, if you don't approve of it, I don't know. But as long as I approve of it, then that's all I know. She big. See, it's not too much and it's not too little. And I just want to be extra today and put it. And now I was able to go to Sephora and get the Gloss Bomb, the new one. It's called Diamond Milk. I did get two because this is what happened. I grabbed one and I saw one left and I was like, you know, the next bitch ain't gonna get the last bit, so I'm gonna get it. So I got two. That's literally what I was thinking. Like, if it's gonna be gone, it might as well be gone because I got it. Okay. So this is the new stuff. Well, it was new until she came out with like 4 other things the next day. My first time using this too. Ooh, it says white as my teeth. This that Fenty Beauty I'm talking about. Fenty Beauty all on my body. Alright, so this is it. This is my video using a full face of Fenty Beauty products. And it came out really, really good. And I think it's really, really cute. I look yummy. I'm gonna go see Bae at work because I look really yummy and somebody needs to see this. And I hope you liked it because you voted for it. You even got me to talk. I don't like talking, but I talked. And it's really cute. So yeah, I hope. Ooh, to match this, I'm gonna put white eyeliner. I feel like I have nothing on. It just feels like I look bomb. And I'm so glad that regardless of how hard it was to sit down and make this video, I'm so glad that I was able to sit down regardless and to get a good video, and I really hope that you enjoyed it.